I love the Adidas Ultraboost 19. In fact, I have two pairs with me right now. This is the Seoul Academy shop exclusive version, Desert Sand colorway here in the Philippines, while this is the Dark Pixel colorway, which was a shop exclusive for Commonwealth. Now, I love it so much that I've been in the lookout for more exclusives and sneaker consortium pairs. And fortunately, today, we finally have one. This is the Adidas Sneaker Consortium ultraboost 19 Asia exclusive, and we will be unboxing it, and after that we'll talk about the top 5 things you need to know about this regional release. Before we get to the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, and most of you already know who it is, guys. I am talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium accessories maker based out of Australia. I just love their products. This is one of the brands that's so easy to recommend and so easy to plug into my videos because I am a firm believer in what they have, the quality, the overall value, and how they just look so freaking amazing, especially their beaded bracelets. I'm a huge fan of the bracelets. I actually have them in multiple colorways, and I usually wear them in sets of 2 and match them with my outfit. What? But anyway, if you guys want to get yours, I have great news for you. You have a 30% discount. All you guys have to do is to click the link down below to the Rose Gold and Black website, which I put conveniently in the description box for you guys to check out. So make sure that you support, guys, the products and the companies that support this vlog because they make this vlog possible. So check them out, Rose Gold and Black. Now, the Adidas Sneaker Consortium ultraboost 19 actually has 3 colorways, 1 colorway per region: US, Asia, and Europe. For Asia, we have the teal and red colorway, which we will be unboxing today. And then we also have the black and blue colorway, which is the US exclusive, which I don't have, but hopefully I should be able to cop it in the next few weeks. And for Europe, we have the white and green colorway of the ultraboost 19. Personally, I want to get all 3 because again, I am a huge fan of the ultraboost 19. For the Asia exclusive, we actually have the pair here on hand. I was able to pick this up from Commonwealth, one of the nicest sneaker and streetwear shops here in the Philippines. By the way, they just came out with a collaboration with Vans. I will be doing an unboxing of both pairs very soon. So going back to the Adidas Ultraboost 19 Sneaker Consortium Asia exclusive, it does come in this typical white sneaker consortium box with the handshake over here. And if you slide it open, it actually says there, the respect is mutual. Most of the sneaker consortium boxes have that. And that, I think, is a nice touch to be able to give the shoe a more exclusive and luxury vibe. So if you slide it open, you get to the actual sneaker. Each Adidas Ultraboost 19 from this drop is actually inspired by a previous model or a previous design motif from the Adidas running line. For example, this Adidas Ultraboost 19's Asia exclusive that we have on hand, it's actually inspired by the Adidas ZX 9000. It actually has the same hints of teal and red and almost like that dark blue or dark green color, and they really brought it to life with this particular Ultraboost 19. So you have the inspiration of a classic running sneaker combined with the futuristic and latest technology of Adidas with the Boost midsole. That's the inspiration though, but to a Dragon Ball Z geek like me, this one actually reminds me a lot of Shenron, or at least the mint version of Shenron, and that's probably the main reason why I actually gravitated to it so much despite it being so expensive. Now, the Ultraboost 19 is one of the best sneakers in my opinion to drop for 2019. In fact, it is the best Ultraboost, at least for me. Now, I'm sure a lot of people will disagree with that, especially those who prefer the Ultraboost 4.0 or even the 2.0s, but it's really subjective and it's really different depending on our personal taste and how our feet are built. For me, I just love the Ultraboost 19. I'll talk about it why. First, we have to talk about the Primeknit 360 upper. I feel that it gives better foot containment, it gives better foot lockdown, something that the previous models weren't able to address properly. So there was that feeling that your feet were loose in the shoe with the previous models, and I really don't get that anymore with the Ultraboost 19. Secondly, it's really all about the revised and revamped Boost composition. The Boost from before easily became like mushy and again became loose over time. and it was too soft at a certain point. The best thing about the ultraboost 19 is that while it has thicker boost, they were able to make it a little more compact, and they were able to give it a little more stiffness, make it a little bit firmer, which gives you the best balance when it comes to cushioning, softness, and stability. So you don't want, if you have like clumsy feet, this shouldn't be a problem for you. If you have wide feet, again, this also shouldn't be a problem for you. And lastly, personally, I just like the look of the ultraboost 19. Don't kill me. I know a lot of you don't like how the 19 looks like, but I really like it. I don't know why. It really appeals to me. So that's the reason why this is actually the third ultraboost 19 in my collection. Now, this definitely won't be the last because I am thinking of copying the two other colorways that I just mentioned earlier. If you are interested, the dark blue US exclusive is actually inspired by the 1980, I think it's called the SL80 Adidas sneaker. So again, it's a previous retro sneaker that they're taking inspiration from when it comes to the colorway, the black and the dark blue and the gold, and slapping it on the ultraboost 19. Then we also have the white and green colorway of the Adidas ultraboost 19 sneaker consortium for Europe. That one was an easy guess because the moment I looked at it, the moment I saw it, I knew it was inspired by the equipment line of Adidas, or the EQTs, because the white green is really a hallmark colorway of that particular line. So I am thinking of getting both as well to add to the collection. I am a huge ultraboost 19 fan, and if the opportunity comes up, I will definitely cop both. However, it's not all roses when it comes to the ultraboost 19, guys. The ultraboost by itself is already expensive. It sells for what, like 8,900 or 9,300 pesos, a little less than 180 US dollars. The sneaker consortium pair is more expensive than that. Sells for a little over 12,000 pesos, or roughly 240, 250 US dollars. So it is pricey AF. So why should you buy it, and when should you buy it? Number one, if you are a die-hard ultraboost fan, if you are an Adidas die-hard sneakerhead fan, then obviously you would want to cop one and add it to your collection. But again, you have to be a collector, and you really have to enjoy the Adidas ultraboost 19 line. Second, if you are just about to get into the ultraboost and you do have like budget to spare, instead of going for the general release models and you want to use it both for performance and at the same time for athleisure and everyday casual wear, then go for this particular look because it is a head turner. It will break necks. People will look because it's not every day that you get to see sneakers like this. If you are copying one though, just a bit of advice. If you have narrow or normal size feet, I strongly recommend that you guys go half a size up. If you do have wide feet like me, you might even want to consider going a full size up. The problem with the ultraboost 19 is that it's a bit snug and a bit tight, mainly because of the Primeknit 360. So if you get the wrong size, it will really be uncomfortable. So the best thing that you can actually do is to try it first in store. The great thing about the ultraboost 19 is that there are a lot of general release colorways, and it will be very easy for you guys to actually go to a store and just, fit one on, so you get to know what your size is. And that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Two more things. Please don't forget that we do have an ongoing giveaway for AirPods 2nd generation from Apple. So please make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you follow Poundit on Instagram. And make sure that you click the link down below in the description box for the mechanics of our raffle and giveaway for the Apple AirPods 2nd generation. So that's very important. Make sure that you guys do that. Number two, allow me to share with you the winner of the Realme 3 Pro raffle. Congratulations to the winner of the Realme 3 smartphone, one of the best gaming smartphones that anybody can buy for 15,000 pesos or $300. I will be reaching out to you via Instagram, so make sure that you check your IG DMs so that we can talk on how I can get you your new Realme 3 Pro gaming smartphone. And lastly, for our power-up words of wisdom for the day, being different is not ugly. That's the thing usually that you see with people talking about sneakers and style. Being different is not necessarily ugly because we are all trained to look at beauty a certain way. We all are trained to have our own biases. I think one of the best things one can have in life is an outlook of tolerance and appreciation for anything and everything different. Believe me, your life will be so much better if you can get to see things in the shoes of the people who actually appreciate those particular things. So again, different is not ugly, it just depends who's looking. That said, that wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on IG. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.